Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on Linux. Many gamers believe this is a complex task, but with the right tools, it's quite straightforward. We'll primarily use Lutris, a fantastic gaming platform, alongside Wine, a compatibility layer that allows Windows applications to run on Linux. Getting your system ready with the correct drivers and file system is the first crucial step for a smooth experience. First, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is vital for gaming performance. Next, install Lutris, which acts as your central hub for Windows games. You can usually find it in your system's software store. Then, install Wine and its required dependencies, as these are essential for battle. Net to run correctly. Remember, always install Overwatch on an ext4 partition, not NTFS, to avoid potential issues. With Lutris installed, the next step is to get battle. Net running. Launch Lutris, click the plus icon, and search for the battle. Net install script. Lutris will guide you through the installation process, which is very similar to installing on Windows. Once battle. Net is set up, log in with your account. From there, you can easily download and install Overwatch just as you would on a Windows machine, ready to play. To enhance your Overwatch experience, expect some initial stuttering as shaders compile. This is normal and temporary. Activating game mode can significantly boost performance by optimizing your system. For best results, close the battle. Net launcher once Overwatch has started. Also, ensure your system has ample memory, ideally 16 gigabytes or more, as modern games like Overwatch benefit greatly from sufficient RAM for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.